So today we're at Bremerton Raceway. We're doing actually I'm not doing it. Keanu's doing it. He's doing this autocross today. This is his first time doing it since he's not 18. He needs to have an adult guardian or parent with him. So he's got GoPros in the car. So he'll probably share some of that video with me, be able to put it into something for him, and then get that out, share it, everybody, send it off to Oma and Opa. So, all right, I'm going back to my car. I'm gonna go sit down, get warm. It's kind of cold out here today. It's not raining. Look behind me, you see those clouds are moving in, so I think they should be able to get a couple of runs in before it starts raining, but it looks like it's about to start coming down in a minute. So, and it looks like Keanu has moved up to the front of his queue, so he might be coming out in a minute here, so we're gonna keep an eye out.